So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix classic Outlook stuck on try to connect. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that your Outlook Classic is stuck in the processing, so guys, you just follow this video to troubleshoot this issue. Okay, so guys, let's start. So guys, first of all, you try to restart the application. For this, you press Ctrl Shift Escape button and choose your profile. After choosing, right click and end task. Okay, then guys, you move to the another step, which is you try to verify your internet connection. Unusual internet connection, Outlook hanging problem. So verify your connection attempting to visit any browser, and if website doesn't load, so restart your internet connections. Okay, here you simply search any website and check that internet is working or not. Okay, and guys, still having the issue, so guys, you try to repair the application. So if previous step do not work to resolve this issue, so attempt to repair your application. For repairing your application, you navigate to the control panel first. After open the control panel, go to the option of uninstall a program. Then guys, find your application. So guys, I am choosing the wrong application. We find Microsoft 365. So just move downward, and guys, here you see the Microsoft 365. Right click, change. After that, wait for a few minutes, and guys, here you see the option of quick repair and online repair. So you just select the quick repair and replay your Microsoft. Okay, at the end, if anything is not working, so you try to this simple step, which is restart your computer. A simple computer restart may resolve this issue. So this is accomplished by navigating to the start menu, select the power button and restart. So guys, these are the basic fix that you can use to fix this issue. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.